ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः। स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः। स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः। स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः। स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मुंडकोपनिषद 3rd chapter 2nd section 3rd mantra। नायमात्मा प्रवचनेन लभ्यः। न मेधया न बहुना श्रुतेन। यमेवैष वृणुते येन तेन लभ्यः। तस्यैष आत्मा विवृणुते तनुं स्वाम्। Angiras, the teacher, concluding his teaching to his disciple called Shaunaka by saying, this Atma cannot be attained by those people who are all having only Medha Shakti. Only Medha Shakti means without sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, they have only intelligence, Medha Shakti. Those people who are having highly intellectual, scholarly people, they cannot attain I am Atma. Nayam Atma means I am Atma na labhyaha. This Atma, I am Atma, this Atma na labhyaha, cannot be attained, cannot be understood by pravachanena. Pravachanena means by recitation. Pravachanam means talking about that Brahman, recitation of mantras. All these mantras, just recitation, will not give self-knowledge. How many years, janmas and janmas you chant, even including 4 Vedas, top to bottom, you know, including page numbers, mantra number, line numbers. Some people quote page number, mantra number, which line also it occurs anywhere, then you do Sashtanga Namaskara. No guarantee that person has got self-knowledge. No guarantee. Pravachanena na labhyaha. Not only that, bahuna shrutena. Bahuna, enormous. Shrutena means repeated listening of karma kanda, mimamsa, purva mimamsa. Mimamsa Shastram, analysis, we call it as analysis. The science of analysis. Analytically thinking the subject. That Mimamsa Shastra Jnanam cannot give you this self-knowledge. Only Mimamsa Shastra. Some people, they forget the Tatparya. What for this Vedanta? They are all ancillaries, secondary subjects. They are all supportive to get the Mahavakya Tatparya Artha, to arrive at this Mimamsa, Tarka, Nyaya, Vyakaranam. All these are Upa Angas, Veda Angas. They are only supplementary, helping means for to arrive at the purport of Vedanta. This we have to understand. They are all important, but they are all only an instrument to arrive at the Mahavakya. If I won't take this aspect, that aspect, this Mahavakya understanding, for that sake only Vyakarana, for the grasping of Mahavakya only Nyaya, for the understanding of this Mahavakya only this Mimamsa. If the person lose sight of what for these Shastras, those Shastras will attract the person and he spends whole time and energy in that only. That is the meaning of Shruti here. Through the mere repetition, repeatedly listening, analysis, all these things, it will not give benefit. Then who gets, not only that, another thing, medhaya. Na medhaya, through the memory. Memory means immediately, once you listen, you register and remember. You will recollect immediately. That is called medhas. To improve medhas, there is a suktam called Medha Suktam. So one of the important quality for a Vedantic student, qualification, is memorizing capacity. You should have that Smarana Shakti. Grahana Shakti, Smarana Shakti. Grahanam means grasping power. The grasping also is not possible for all people. Body is present, mind is absent. Sometimes mind is also present, but this student do not know what to take, what to drop. Everything person takes. That is also okay. Some students are manages to drop what to take. They will drop the important thing and they take what has to be dropped. Like examples, all this they remember, Drishtantam, everything they remember, Medha Shakti. This is also Medha Shakti. And they forget Darshtanta, what for this example. They remember the joke in the class. Throughout the day they remember. Why Swamini put this joke? Aditha theriyaliye. Enna memory shakti irukke. But what use that type of memory shakti? Medha shakti to won't help the person. That's why just listening and repeating like a parrot and memorizing everything. Shastra says, Angiras says, these are all won't help to the person. But what helps the person? Then what is useful? Not Shrutena, na Medhaya, na Pravachanena. But Angiras tells, Yam Esha Vrinate Tena Eva Labhyaha. This is a very, very ticklish portion. This is, this Yena, Thena, Yatu, Tatu, all are confusing, but different commentators write different meanings for this. So, how we understand here, Eshaha Vrinate means, Eshaha means Mumukshuhu, Vidwan, a person who is seeking for self-knowledge, Eshaha. Mumukshuhu. Vrinate means desires to attain. Praptum ichchati. Vrinate means chooses. How you choose? What do you want? You choose. You keep money in your bag and you go to do shopping. What do? You choose. You are expert. You are expert to choose the objects in the shop. But in this Vedanta also, in this spiritual field also, the person should choose Atma. நிறைய இருக்கும், அதில் கூட அட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் நிறைய பவர்ஸ் இருக்கும், சித்திஸ் எல்லாம் ஆல் ஆர் தேர், விபூதி என்ன பவர்ஸ், க்ளோரிஸ், there are so many things. But this person should choose only Atma. Vrinate means he desires to know or he desires to get it. That is called choosing. Choosing. You are very choosy and you are very choosy and always choice is so much. That's why he spends hours together. Especially Shari. What a choice you have gotten. எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு, எது வாங்கணும்னு புரியலன்னா. Everything is nice. Sometimes you get more confusion when you have lot of things in front of you. What to choose? And எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு, all I want அண்ணா. No, you have to choose only one அண்ணா. That is the difficult thing. Family, we choose so many things but except Atma. How many people are choosing? The choosing nature is good, but if you are choosing Atma, it is wonderful. Choose Atma. What do you want? Bhagavan keeping both the hands in two packets. One hand, this is moksha. Left hand, punya, money, wealth, fulfillment, accomplishments, all. Everybody choosing only left hand packet. Bhagavan so busy with the left hand packet. Bhagavan tells, see, nobody is coming. The right hand is not busy at all. Nobody is asking moksha. Atma Jnanam. But who choose Atman? That is called Vrinate. Vrinate Tena Eva Labhyaha. Eva means na anyena sadhanantarena, with other than this. Other than this means what? Unless you choose yourself, I want to know the Atman, Brahman. If you don't have this sankalpa, this decision, this determination, this pravachana, medhas, all these are useless. Therefore, you have to choose first primary thing. This is Vrinate, Varena. There is no other thing. You only have to desire for that. Varanena. Tena means Tena Varanena. By that desire alone. Means what? Tivra mumukshutvam. intense desire. Who has got intense desire? That is the meaning for vrinute. Desire to know Atma. Eshaha Atma vivrinute. Who has got the intense desire to know the Atma? To him only this Atma reveals itself. Eshaha Atma, this Paraha Atma. Eshaha Atma means this Paraha Atma. This Atma vivrinute, reveals. Prakashayati, vivrinute. So this mumukshu chooses this Atma. Tena, by that commitment, there is no second desire for me, only Atma I want. Irukku அப்படி இருந்தா வந்துடும். அதான் ஞானம் take place. Reveals means what? Prakashayati means ஞானம் take place ன்னு அர்த்தம். ஞானம் takes place how? Swam tanum. Swam tanum means its nature. It becomes evident. By the grace of Lord you have to supply. It becomes evident. To whom? Tasya. For that blessed person only. For that blessed person it is evident. How it is evident? As his own nature. Its own nature it is evident. Shankaracharya gives one example. We also have seen previously the Ghata Akasha, the example how that Prakasha makes the pot evident. Ghata Adi means all these objects, how they are evident? By Prakasha, by light, they are evident. You are able to see them. Similarly, this Vidya Prakasha. Vidya Prakasha means because of knowledge. Vidya means knowledge. Prakashe ghatadiva vidyayam satyam. Vidya means Atma Vidya. Atma Jnanam Dvara. This Atma Avirbhavati. Avirbhavati means evident in the form of awareness, consciousness. I am that Brahman. Its nature it reveals to that person who desires, who is a Tivra Mumukshu. அப்போ அதில் என்ன புரியுறது? நமக்கு இன்னும் பிரம்மஜானம் வரலன்னா நம்ம தீவிர முமுக்ஷு ஆகலன்னு அர்த்தம். அதுதானே அர்த்தம். That is the meaning. Eshaha vrinate yam paramatmanam saha eva prapnoti. Prapnoti is attaining is nothing. Praptasya praptah. Here, already Atma only. There is no question of attainment. It is already I am. So therefore, nitya labdhaha swabhavaha swabhavatvat. Nitya labdhaha, ever evident that is already. It is as though praptam. How is it praptam? Because of Guru's grace, Atma Kripa. He chooses. That's why what you choose, you get that. That's all. How intense our mumukshutvam anedi, we have to question ourselves. இது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்குல்ல. நம்ம என்னவோ நினைச்சோம் we will get by listening and that is why Atma Kripa. You have to desire for that intense desire. அது வேற செகண்ட் தாட் வரக்கூடாது. தவிக்கணும். அதுக்காக தவிக்கிற சுவாமினி அண்ணா எத்தனை விஷயத்துக்காக நம்ம தவிக்கிறோம் இல்ல. அப்படியே அது வேணும் இது வேணும் ஒரே சிந்தனை. மார்னிங் ஈவினிங் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் நைட் எல்லாமே அதே சிந்தனை. தச்சிந்தனம் தற்கதனம். என்ன வேர்ல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ். வேர்ல்டு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் பற்றி எவ்வளோ திங்க் பண்ணுறோம், எவ்வளோ பேசுகிறோம். அதை பற்றி எவ்வளோ ஆர்வமாக அது வேணும் வேணும்னு மனசில் ஒரு டிசைர் இருக்க, அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு ஆத்மா மேலே இருக்க. இஃப் ஐ ஹாவ் ஹியர் அண்ட் நவ் இட் செல்ஃப் ஆத்மா ரிவீல்ஸ். அந்த மாதிரி மனப்பான்மை இருக்கவனுக்கு ஆத்மா ரிவீல்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்ரா. நாயமாத்மா பலஹீனேன லப்யஹ ந ச பிரமாதாத் தபசோ வாப்யலிங்காத் ஏதைருபாயைர்யததே யஸ்து வித்வான் தஸ்யைஷ ஆத்மா விஷதே பிரம்மதாம. Another important mantra. I am Atma, this Atma, Balahinena na labhyaha. Balahinena, by the weak person. So tomorrow onwards we will go for gym. By weak person, this Atma cannot be attained. Na labhyaha, na praptum shakyate ityarthaha. Cannot be attained. Labh means to attain. Balahinena means here we have to understand a weak-minded person who is not having commitment towards his goal. ஏதோ படிக்கிறோம் காலக்ஷேபம், ஆர் ஐ வாண்ட் டு நோ, கியூரியாசிட்டி. Lack of commitment is called balahinata here. Here balahina means not underweight. This person is underweight. Therefore take some tonic. Then only you will get Brahma Jnanam. Appunnu kediyadu. Balahinamana manas. The manas is not strong enough to face the obstacles at any corner, from any time, at any place, from any person, from any object. If any obstacle comes in this marga, while in my pursuit, in this jnana marga, when I am pursuing this atma knowledge, for that sake, any problem comes, this person will give up. Like that many people are there. நான் படிக்கணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு, கிளாஸுக்கு போகணும்னு ரொம்ப ஆசைப்பட்டேன், பட் அந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்னு சொல்லுவான். இந்த ப்ராப்ளம், தட் ப்ராப்ளம், திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம், ஏதோ ஒன்று வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். Some problems come in a nice manner, some obstacles, pleasant manner they come, and some problem comes in a painful manner. Painful manner it comes, we go on telling. But when they come in pleasant way, obstacles smooth irukum. Blissfully you forget. Blissfully you forget Vedanta class. It is not a big thing. Very easy to forget Vedanta class. I have seen many students like that. They show their head and go back. Like that, how many people are coming? Hundreds and thousands of people are coming and going. That is called balahina manas, not committed to the goal. Not committed to the goal. A weak-minded person, it shakes his mind. Ordinary, worldly, Shankaracharya says, balahina manasana, attached to the people, wife, husband, pet, dog, house. Swamini, how can I come to class? My pet at home is alone. நான் இல்லைன்னா வீட்டில் பாப்பேன், cannot stay. ஸோ அப்புறம் பெட்டுக்காக வேதாந்த கிளாஸை கட்டு. என்ன பண்ணுறது? த பிளசன்ட் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல். நமக்கு விருப்பம் இல்லாத ஆள் யாராவது வந்தோன்னா அன்பிளசன்ட் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல், அவ்வளோதான். பிளசன்ட் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல், அன்பிளசன்ட் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல். ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல் இஸ் ஆப்ஸ்டிக்கல். This person is attracted, attached to the family members, son, daughter, husband, wife, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather. For those people, serving, and attach to them and slowly neglect the Shastra study. நமக்கு என்ன புரிய போறதா என்ன எப்படியாவது we have to do because of attachment. அது பலஹீன மனசு. That's why Vedantic student must be ready when you are a grihastha, problems, obstacles bound to come. There is no doubt in that. They are always waiting. இந்த அம்மா நீ எப்படியாவது கிளாஸுக்கு போகாமலே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். They are all waiting. They will see how far you are having an intense desire. இந்த கஷ்டம் வரும்போது they will pull you back. சரி இன்னைக்கு போக வேண்டாம் கிளாஸ், என்ன நமக்கு பிராப்தம் இல்லை, வீட்டில் உட்காருங்க. இந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை வாட்டி முண்டகோபனிஷத்து. Suppose 30 classes, attend only 10 classes. என்ன obstacles? எக்ஸ்டர்னல் ஆப்ஸ்டிகல்ஸ் என்ன உடம்புக்கு சரியில்லைன்னா முட்டி வலி, முதுகு வலி, தலைவலி, பல்லு வலி, போதுமே கட்டு கிளாஸ். Our own physical health cut. Because of that, because of family people, because of our own health, we give up. Give up means we miss the classes. 30 கிளாஸ்ல புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது 10 கிளாஸ்ல எப்படிதான் புரியும்? அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் உபனிஷத்து வரும், அது ஒரு 10 கிளாஸ் தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் உபனிஷத்து, அது ஒரு 10 கிளாஸ். What Atma Jnana will come? Tell me. So the person எத்தனை கஷ்டம் வந்தாலும் this is my primary goal அப்படி இருக்கணும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்னா பலஹீன மனஹான்னு அர்த்தம். அதான் பலஹீனேன ந லப்யா. Not muscle strength and all. Who want muscle strength? Of course you should have good health also, strong body, healthy mind, healthy body is required. Here mental strength is called. If that mental strength is not there, that is called balahina. By that person, it is not possible. If person is not having mental strength, this Atma cannot be attained. Then second one, nacha pramadat tapasaha. Nacha pramadat, second one. All keeps in a double negative. Pramada means negligence. Inattentiveness, not attentive. தப்பி தவறி கிளாஸுக்கு வந்தா half an hour தூக்கம்தான். மெயின் திங் என்ன, once in a while you come to class, you cannot get head and tail in that subject. Difficult only. So naturally what you get? Sleep. That too ideal time for housewives is 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Why, Swamini, you know that why you are keeping that time only class, and that is only time available for you. What can I do? You think over, is there any other time for housewives? You have to send your husband to office, children to the school. Before they are coming, you have to rush up to your house. Only this is the time, no other time. Many students given suggestion to me. சுவாமினி இந்த டைம் வைக்கலாமோ அந்த டைம் வைக்கலாமோ, எந்த டைம் வைக்க முடியாது, இதே டைம் தான். ரொம்ப டயர்டாக இருக்கு சுவாமினி, வீட்டில் வெள்ளெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டேன்னா. ஆமாம் டயர்டாக இருக்கும், என்ன பண்ணுறது, என்ன வேற வழி இல்லை. என்ன அட்டென்டிவ்னஸ் குறையிறது. ஏன் குறையிறதுன்னா நமக்கு கமிட்மெண்ட் கம்மியாக இருந்தால் குறையும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு தட் டே வென் ஐ ஹாவ் கிளாஸ், ஐ ஹாவ் டு ரெடியூஸ் மை இன்ட்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் வித் த வேர்ல்ட். Over tiredness because of and eating too much and coming to class. Because நேற்று உபவாசம் இருக்கேன் சுவாமினி, அதுக்கு நான் இன்னைக்கு சாப்பிட்றேன், என்ன காலையில் சாப்பிட்டேன், கிளாஸுக்கு வந்த உடனே அப்படியே ப்ளசண்ட்டாக கூலாக இருக்கேன். கிளைமேட் ஆல்சோ ஐடியல் கண்டிஷன் ஃபார் ஸ்லீப்னு. எஸ் ஐடியல் கண்டிஷன் தான். யூ ஹாவ் டு see the Guru's lot that time. பார்க்கணும். பிரமாத மீன்ஸ் இட்ஸ் கால்ட் inattentiveness. Therefore, what you require na apramada, that is required. Then your mind. And pramadat na labhya. Therefore, attentiveness is important. Inattentiveness, that nature the person will not get. Therefore, what I have to develop to attain Atma? Alertness, vigilance, attentive, the class. And that's why once in a while I ask, sit straight. கொஞ்சம் தூக்கம் வராமலே இருக்கான். அதுக்கு தான் கதை எல்லாம் சொல்லி மத்திய மத்தியில் ஜோக் எல்லாம் சொல்லி எவ்ரிபடி லாஸ் அட்லீஸ்ட் த பர்சன் வில் கம் சம்திங் ஹேப்பன். என்னமோ எல்லாரும் சிரிக்கிறாங்க பார்க்கணும். So because this is not very much familiar subject for us. Familiar. That is why naturally mind slowly doze off. We have to develop interest. Slowly, gradually we have to develop. That's why this inattentiveness means this pramada comes because of a lack of commitment, I said. So what I have to do? Develop commitment. That's why in Purana there is a beautiful story, Samudra Mathanam. Devas and Asuras churning the ocean churning that ocean, milky ocean, to get the Amrita. Beautiful comparison. How? I will tell you one. Veda is compared to the ocean. Veda is compared to the ocean. Mind, buddhi is a churning rod. What you are using here? Veda. You are sitting in now Adharvana Veda. You are doing study. What is the churning rod? Your own mind, buddhi is the churning rod. Inna kashtapadram puriyamale. That is the churning rod here. There is a churning rod, Vasuki. Vasuki Sarpam is a rope. The mountain, Meru mountain is a rod. Adu madre here, buddhi, that rod. Shravanam is the churning rod. Rod, buddhi, and churning is, the rope is Shravanam. Listening completely. Shastra. Go on churning. That churning, Shravanam, and Shravanam also regularly. I will churn sometime and stop. No continuous churning. And Asuras and Devas. One side Asuras, one side Devas. Your right thoughts and wrong thoughts. Both are fighting. Then நல்ல சேல் இருக்கு பாண்டி பஜார்ல போலாம். No, today Mundakopanishad class போலாம். These two thoughts are really tug of war. ஒரு கிளாஸ்க்கு இவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்படுறோமே. I am planning to keep 2 classes for a week. I do not know how many students are going to come. ஏன்னா ஒரு கிளாஸ் ஆல்டர்னேட் இப்படி படிச்சா எப்படிதான் முடிக்க போறேன்? 6 உபனிஷத்து படிக்கணும். ஹோல் பகவத்கீதை எப்படிதான் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ண போறோம்? சரி, இன்னொரு நாள் வைக்கலாம்னு எனக்கு டவுட். ஒரு வாழ இல்லையா இதுக்காக ஐ ஆம் திங்கிங். அது மாதிரி போலாமா வேண்டாமா தாட்ஸ் ஆர் கமிங். They are pulling each side, no? Correct irukliyo? No. So then when you are churning naturally, all will come. Enna varudhu? Visham, halahalam has come. Lakshmi, Kaustubham, cow, Airavatam, Ashvam, so many things are coming. Attractive things, unpleasant things. படிக்கும்போது நிறைய ஆப்ஸ்டிகல்ஸ் எல்லாம் வருது இல்லையோ? கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து குஷியா இருக்க, சந்தோஷமா இருக்க, சுவாமினி பிரசாந்தமா இருக்க, அது இருக்கு. பட் ஆப்ஸ்டிகல்ஸ் வருது, எல்லாமே வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. So until they get Amrita, they have not stopped the churning. Understand? Until they got Amrita. What is Amrita? Atma Jnanam. So sitting in the class, Veda class, and using your buddhi is like a churning. Commitment, self-effort. Nothing is simple, nothing is easy in this world. You have to put effort. So after churning, until I get Amrita, I should not stop churning. Until I get Atma Jnanam, I should not leave the scriptural studies. How long? Don't ask. Until, that's all. It's like a Samudra Madhanam. Kurma Avataram. இதெல்லாம் கதையா சொல்லி இருக்குன்னா இதுக்குதான். புரியுது? Life itself is like a churning. Okay, Amrita means Atma Jnana. Then tapasa alingat tapasahava api. So number 1, by weak-minded person it cannot be attained. by the negligent person, inattentive person cannot be attained. Third one, alingat tapasaha. Alinga means here, linga means renunciation. Renunciation, vairagyam, detached mind. Lingam. Alingam means not having the detached mind. That means what? Attached mind and artham. Attached to the people, attached to the possessions, attached too crazy, too much possessed, obsessed with worldly pleasures, worldly objects, worldly people, all always thinking about them. This is called alingat. Tapasaha means here jnanam, not austerity. Here tapasaha means jnanam. That knowledge which is without renunciation, without vairagyam, without a detached mind. Even though I study Mundakopanishad, even though I know Dvasopanna, Sayuja Sakhaya, even though I know all these things, but if I don't have detached mind, detached from the family entanglements, these are all temporary. They never give PHS. PHS comes only by Purna Atma Jnanam. This is knowledge. This knowledge go along with detachment. That is why detachment, vairagya eppudu varuna, stop talking too much first. Reduce unnecessary talking. First failure Swamini. Kashtana. The more you talk, you become more extrovert. The more you become extrovert, your mind gets as it is. A agitated mind can never become calm and quiet. A mind which is not calm and quiet cannot grasp the teaching. That is why the more you involve in the world, more than it is necessary, if you involve, your mind will get disturbed naturally. That's why Vedantic seeker should have a plan, design, routine. ரொம்ப செம்மையா பேசுறது, இன்வால்மெண்ட் வித் வேர்ல்ட் மச்சு ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி வச்சுக்க கூடாது. அப்படின்னு ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் எல்லாம் யாரு பண்ணுவான்? அதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாமே, தாராளமா பண்ணலாம். பற்று இல்லாமலே ஐ டூ மை டியூட்டி. ஐ ஆம் வெரி ஆக்டிவ் எனஃப் டு டூ ஆல் மை டியூட்டிஸ் 10% as much as possible. I complete my duties. There is no problem at all. At the same time, at the back of my mind, Shastra, study, commitment, I remember. I don't have any attachment to them. Like a water that drop on the lotus leaf. It is possible. I can make it as possible. That decision I have to take. So, jnanam, just jnanam, it won't work. That lingam means renunciation. Shankaracharya says, sannyasa edukko nu solrar. You take sannyasa, vividisha sannyasa. Vividisha sannyasa means veditum hichuhu. I want to know Brahman. That is only gives me peace, security, happiness. Therefore, take sannyasa. How we have to interpret? அப்ப என்ன, எனக்கு சன்னியாசம் எடுக்க முடியாது, இப்போ நான் கிரகஸ்தாசிரமம் இருக்கேன், therefore எனக்கு பிரம்மஜானம் வராதோ? How I have to take? Sannyasa means not kashaya vastram. Put kashaya vastram to your mind, not to the body. Clear? Kashaya vastram manasukku அப்படியே போடணும், அவளை டிட்டாச்சா இருக்கணும். Mind வந்து it should have some detached composure, what you can call it. I should have maintained that composure. கொந்தளிப்புன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, மனசு கொதிக்கிறதே கொந்தளிப்பு. ஏன் என்ன? பற்று, அட்டாச்மெண்ட். என்னுடைய டாக்டர், மை டாக்டர், மை சன், மை ஹஸ்பண்ட், மை மை மைன்னு சொல்லி சொல்லியே நம்ம காலமெல்லாம் தள்ளிண்டே இருக்கோமே இத்தனை வருஷம். என்ன பயப்படாதுங்க, சன்னியாசம் என்ன, நான் என்ன சொல்றேன், கமிட்மெண்ட் டு த சாஸ்திரா அண்ட் thinking, tat chintanam, tat kathanam, anyonyat tat prabodhanam. Always thinking about that, always talking about that only, always doing mananam. Adudha alingat tapasaha na labhyaha. Then lingat tapasaha eva labhyaha. That is the meaning. சந்நியாச சகித ஞானம். ஏற்கனவே இப்பவே சொல்லிருப்பா வீட்டுல, நீ என்ன ஒரு சன்னியாசி மாதிரி ஆயிட்டேன்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா? People say like that only. Let them say what is there. So alingat. Then who will get an? However, tu eshaha atma yaha vidwan yatate. Yaha vidwan means who is intelligent enough, discriminative, atma anatma viveka shakti dwara, discriminative. Yatate means who strives, who is very practical. And etaihi upayaihi, by these upayas. What upaya? By strengthening the mind, by renunciation, by attentiveness. These are all upayams, techniques. Don't ask me after some time, Swamini, what is the upaya? Konjam tell. சொல்ல கேட்காதுங்க, இப்படியே சொல்றேன். All Upanishads talks about upaya, but unfortunate thing we don't remember and blissfully we forget. என்னதான் சாதனை பண்ணணும்? What sadhana should I do? சாதனை இது பாரு, already said, strengthen your mind, try to come out of your obstacles, try to face the obstacles, never stop the study of scriptures, continue the study of scriptures. And go to a teacher, only one teacher. Swamini, இது விடமாட்டீங்களே நீங்க? விடமாட்டேன், என்ன பண்றது? மெட்ராஸ்ல எத்தனை டீச்சர்ஸ் இருக்காங்களோ அத்தனை டீச்சர்ஸ் கிட்ட போவான் சில பேர். என்ன சொல்லணும் எல்லார்கிட்ட? I went to that teacher, I went to this teacher, go on telling. அங்கேயும் போறேன் இங்கேயும் போறேன். எனக்கு அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது, பக்ஷபாத புத்தி கிடையாது. இதுல என்ன பக்ஷபாத புத்தி? I don't have that partiality. All teachers are good. All are teaching Vedanta. I go to all of them. I have open-mindedness. Baba, you have open-mindedness, it is good. But for your sake, for God's sake, study from one teacher so that you will get moksha. There is a possibility. Don't change the teachers. Going here and there, listening what you are going to get. These are all upayams. சொன்னா கூட கேட்க மாட்டாங்களே, என்ன பண்றது? சுவாமி சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பான், சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பாரு. I am not asking to come to my class. Don't come once. If you don't want whom you like, which teacher you like, whose teaching you like, go there, but stick to that teacher. Stick to that teacher for your sake. I will tell you, for your sake. Otherwise, you miss that opportunity in this life. You do not know now, later you will repent. The mind can grasp only one type of paddhati. Mind has its own limitations, it has its capacity. You have to think about your mind, buddhi. Adi patti yosikka vendamo. These are all upayams, techniques to get the benefit. So, Vishate Brahmadhama. He attains. Vishate means he attains. What? Brahmadhama. By these techniques, by these qualifications. Now, previous mantra also some qualifications Angiras has given. What are those? Guru Puja, number 1. Number 2, Ishvara Anugraha. Number 3, Manasika Balam. Number 5, Apramadaha. You don't search in your book, you don't get in this way. I am presenting in a simple way, how to understand. And number 5, Sannyasa. Inner Sannyasa. Okay, by all these techniques, upayams, qualifications, you attain that. What is the attainment here? There is a beautiful kirtana, Tyagaraja kirtana. Dvaitamu sukhama, advaitamu sukhama. Edi sukham ani kekkirar avaru. Dvaitam sukhama, advaitam sukhama. Advaitam da sukham. Avarku theriyum. ரைத்தமும் சுகமா ரீதிகோட ராகம்னா ரொம்ப அழகான ராகம். அது பாடும்போது என்ன ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். That raga itself touches, it brings the whole Advaita teaching. அதுதான் அத்வைத்தம் பற்றி தான் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறோம் இந்த கிளாஸ். அது விஷத்தே என்ன அர்த்தம் ஹியர்னா, விஷத்தே மீன்ஸ் attains பேத புத்தி தியாகः ஏவ பிரவேசः. பேத புத்தி தியாகः, giving up the division. Division means bheda buddhi. I am Jivatma, he is Paramatma. This is division, bheda buddhi. Our Swami, nan Asami. Our Swami, na Dasaha. Asami, Dasaha. So in the division, bheda buddhi tyagam. And the tyagam means understanding intellectually, I am not the body mind complex. My substratum source is Atma Swarupam. I am that Atma Swarupam. Even Paramatma, Ishvara also Atma Swarupam. This Atma Swarupam, that Atma Swarupam are one and the same. Upadhi Ritya, they are all limited. But you take out the Upadhi, it is one and the same. That is called Vishate. What is there? The space, Ghata Akasha, pot space, attains total space. Now tell me, how this pot space attains total space? Ghata Akasha, Mahakashe Vishatena. Everybody, this Ghata Akasha, the space in the pot, attains the total space or enters the total space. How it enters? What should know? I have to break it. There is no vishate, understanding. Ghatakasha eva Mahakasha, Mahakasha eva Ghatakasha. This Mahaghata names are because of this Upadhi, Parichinna Upadhi. Upadhi is there or not, doesn't matter. This space is not different from the external total space. Bheda buddhi tyagaha. அதுக்கு இது உடக்கணுமா? ஏன்னா மோட்சம் வரணும்னா இது தப்புன்னு போகணுமா? பாடி போக வேண்டாம். To understand this pot space is not different from the total space. You need not do anything. What you have to do? What Swamini, what you do not do anything and what you have to do and கேட்கிறேன். You need not do anything, just understand. Pot space is nothing but total space. This pot space is the name as long as the pot is there. அழகா இருக்க எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஜீவாத்மா ராஷ்டாந்தா, அப்போதான் நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. ஜீவாத்மா is not different from Paramatma. That is called Vishate. That understanding is called Vishate. Why it is not different? This Jivatma is a name given to Paramatma because of availability in this body. The Paramatma alone is available in this body, in this Upadhi. What the Paramatma gets the name? Jivatma. So Jivatma eva Paramatma. That's simple knowledge. எனக்கு சிம்பிளா இருக்கு. For you also simple. So next mantra. அதுதான் விஷத்தே என்ன. Don't think again. விஷத்தே attain எப்போ attain பண்ண போறானோ அதெல்லாம் திங்க் பண்ணாதுங்க. சம்பிராப்யைன மிருஷயோ ஞான திருப்தாஹ. कृतात्मानो वीतरागाः प्रशान्ताः. ते सर्वगं सर्वतः प्राप्य धीराः. युक्तात्मानः सर्वमेवाविशन्ति. The result of Atma Jnanam. Once you attain the nature of Brahman, Brahma Dhama means abode. Brahmanuடைய வீடு. abode என்ன வீடு. அவர் வீட்டிലേക്ക് நம்ம போறோம். அதுதான் பிரம்மதாமான்னு. Don't take like that. Okay? There is no abode for Brahman. Right? In this mantra it tells Sarvagam Sarvataha. That Atma is all pervading. Sarvataha Gacchati iti. It is all pervading everywhere. That Atma, just for explanation it says nature of Brahman, Brahmadhama means not abode, it is not some different place. Brahman alone is there. We have to understand, because all these words sometimes, many times confuses. We have to be careful. Here, now we take first one, Dhiraha. Who attains Brahman? Dhiraha attains. Wise people attain Brahman. Wise people means Atmanatma Vivekagnaha Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampannaha. All they are called wise people. Number 2, Vitaragaha. They are free from attachment, like a cucumber. Urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshiyamamritat. Mantram theriyum Swamini. அந்த டிட்டாச்மெண்ட்டே வரமாட்டேங்கிறது என்ன அழகணும். அந்த மந்திரம் சொல்லி 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 ஒரு நாளுக்காவது உண்மை ஆகணும். ஃபேக் இட் அண்ட் மேக் இட் என்ன, ஃபேக் இட் அண்ட் மேக் இட். அதான் வீதராகாக. ஸோ தீராக ஓன்லி கெட்டின்ஸ் த ஆத்மஜானம். வீதராகாக. தென் நம்பர் 3, ஐ வில் புட் இன் திஸ் ஆர்டர் ஒன்று. யுக்தாத்மானஹ. ஹே யுக்தாத்மானஹ. Those self-disciplined people, manasa vacha karmana alignment, self-disciplined, yuktatmanaha means self-disciplined. Number 4, prashantaha. Those are free from tension. Free from tension venuma to attain Brahman. என்ன அது பிரசாந்தம், ட்ராங்குவிலிட்டி, இக்வானிமஸ் மைண்ட். என்ன செல்ஃப் டிசிப்ளின் இருக்கவனுக்கு தான் இது வரும், பிரசாந்த சித்தம். அதான் தாரணா தியான சமாதி யோக அபியாச ஆல் மென்ட் ஃபார் திஸ் ஒன்லி. பிரத்யாகார, why I said withdrawal of your sense organs from the external world. Not pulling, not by suppression, by understanding. Seeing the faults, the limitation in the world and understanding the greatness of that Atma, by discrimination you have to withdraw, not by force. என்ன தரிசிட்டு ரொம்ப சுறுசுறுப்பா போய் எனக்கு ஒன்றும் பிடிக்கல ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஃப்ரைடே அகெயின் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆஸ் யூஸ்வல், அப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. அவுட் ஆஃப் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஐ ரிஜெக்ட் தெம், not by aversion. Other meaning. Prashantaha. Number 5, Rishayaha. Rishayaha means Jnaninaha. Atma Swarupam Rishati Janati iti. Those people, Rishayaha. They will become rishis when they are self-disciplined and they are very tranquil and they are detached. They have wise mind. They naturally become rishis. And kritatmanaha, having transformed themselves. Jiva is parama, that transformation. Paramatmatvena kritaha jivatma ena saha. This, இப்பதானே சொன்னேன், this jivatma is none other than Paramatma. Airi jivatma OC, Paramatma OC. RC This is RC1. Our RC4. RC1, RC2, RC3 జ్ఞాపకం అనుకో. స్థూల శరీరం, స్థూల అనాత్మ, సూక్ష్మ అనాత్మ, కారణ అనాత్మ, ఇండివిజువల్ లెవెల్. స్థూల అనాత్మ, సూక్ష్మ అనాత్మ, కారణ అనాత్మ, టోటల్ లెవెల్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Micro 1, 2, 3, macro 4, 5, 6. All are anatma. What is real? Atma. Atma OC. That is kritatmanaha. Then last one, jnana truptaha. Naturally, jnanam take place and truptaha. Jnanam vandachu podum enakku. I'll explain more details in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.